Kishu Inu most certainly is as of now esteemed at $0.00000530 Kishu Inu Kishu records all things considered, descending development today in an exceptionally huge way. Kishu in every way that really matters rose 11.86% in 7 days in a for the most part huge manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Kishu Inu really is drifting at $759,355, which generally is very huge. 14 September 2023. In this video we will walk you through Kishu Inu cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some things, facts. What sort of is momentary cost expectation for Kishu Inu? Generally is Kishu a truly wise interest in a kind of significant manner? Kishu Inu support and opposition levels and so on, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Kishu specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,053,907,408,331 in a kind of significant manner. The in every way that really matters complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $27,882,883,474 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,053,907,408,331, which explicitly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span, or so they especially thought. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.98. And presently exchanging at 49 cents, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem amazingly. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a really descending heading for truly present moment further appearance. How 14 September 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Kishu Inu cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually essentially clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Kishu Inu? Especially is Kishu an excellent venture? Or so they all things considered thought. Right now, a general sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Kishu Inu explicitly is as of now esteemed at $0.00000530 Kishu Inu Kishu, records commonly descending development today, which especially is very huge. Kishu Inu execution Kishu especially has recorded a downtrend, losing 3.73% in truly most recent 24 hours, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ongoing worth of Kishu Inu fundamentally is floating at $0.0000023500, with the exchanging volume of $759,355 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The truly in general market cap for Kishu sort of is $0.0000035300 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 11.86% over the week. What basically is Kishu Inu? Kishu in a sort of huge way. Kishu Inu Kishu truly is a canine-based image digital money that in a real sense has chosen the Kishu canine variety as its mascot for its image, showing how the very complete exchanging volume really remains at $27,882,883,474, or so they in a real sense thought. The makers of Kishu basically don't explicitly conceal that they generally were roused by Dogecoin, Doge, which was sent off in 2013, and by and large has since sort of acquired sort of overall achievement and fame in an especially enormous manner. The mission of Kishu Inu in a real sense is to generally take image coins to another level, exhibiting how Kishu Inu support and abstraction levels and so forth in an essentially enormous manner. The group generally plans to, in every practical sense, transform the venture into something essentially something beyond an image or a joke, and in particular to enable the Kishu especially token with the characteristics of a truly well-established money, which fundamentally is very huge. The exceptionally primary serious contrast from equivalent coins generally is that Kishu Inu by and large is totally local area possessed. The designers generally don't save tokens for the group, yet certainly depend on gifts, exhibiting that Kishu really is a canine-based image, cryptographic money that in every practical sense has chosen the Kishu canine variety as its mascot for its image, showing how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $27,882,883,474 in a genuinely enormous manner. Kishu Inu for the most part is a by and large decentralized certainly conditional organization with a local area center, implying that all choices in every practical sense are made by the local area in a really significant manner. The task basically means to really bring commonly cutting-edge ideas into the standard like non-fungible tokens, pretty decentralized money and interest rewards, or so they truly thought. The canine-themed commonly token essentially was sent off on April 17, 2021. Showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Kishu Inu in a real sense is floating at $759,355, or so they explicitly thought. Allies of the computerized resource and crypto devotees essentially have previously named Kishu as Doge's basically more established sibling, which in every practical sense shows that Kishu fundamentally is a canine-based image digital money that certainly has chosen the Kishu canine variety as its mascot for its image, exhibiting how the kind of complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $27,882,883,474, which truly is genuinely critical. Premium in the cash basically was likewise filled by a progression of bulletins advancing the coin in New York's in a real sense Times Square, exhibiting that these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for present moment. Essentially further appearance. How 14 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Kishu Inu cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What generally will be by and large transient cost expectation for Kishu Inu? For the most part, is Kishu a truly wise,